Yo, yo. Oh shit. Who's out there? Cody, Martman, Renee from John J, Big Key, V33, Cyberpie, Ian Connor, Konija, Benny, Veronica, Robert Gauss, Uwe, Donzo. Hope you guys are doing well. Jay, yeah, coffee buff. Yeah, from your lips to God's ears, my man. Kenny, Racky Boy, Tim Morgan. What did he get? 2.4 million? Brian Adams. Everything I do it for you. Do you put the F in there on purpose because of that? To distinguish yourself from the actual Brian Adams? Do it for the stream, Tim Morgan. That's yeah, I get it, bro. I get it. I don't blame you. This shit's barely moving now. We had a nice fucking slow drop. Hold on, let me turn my screen on. Hold up, dog. I don't think my screen's on. There we go. All right. We had a nice little, I mean, it was a nice drop, move down. It's a nice move down. There's my Take Profit Trader accounts. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Killing it. This is all I did yesterday. Just push this a little further, a little closer. I mean, I'm over. I just want to, I like to win my flips because I don't want to run into any 50% consistency issues. So I'm pretty much good now. That's day 4 in the books on these 3. So that's cool. But we had a nice little drop here from the top. We dropped a little over 100 points. And I wanted this. I wanted the bottom orb on the NQ. And we got the bottom orb on the NQ. We popped here. Now we're kind of coming back down. I wonder if this holds, though. SlipX is stuck. Is it like stuck, like it's not working? It's broken? White Trash Granny, Konija, Ian Connor, Robert Gauss. I think I said what's up to a lot of you guys. I just want to make sure I didn't miss anyone. V33. You like that? BajillionTrillion. Cyberpie. What up? You like that shit? You know why I do that. You know why I did that. I'm not making fun of anybody. I just think I just wanted to poke fun at that. When people put it in their fucking head, they put it like, you know, they put it in their title, they put it like on the top. So I said, I'm at a billion trillion in payouts. You know, why not? Why not? Hot shot. Short the stream will love it. Yeah. Well, I don't want to show what happened with those accounts until more people show up. Trevor LeConte's here though. Smash the like button for Trevor LeConte. Stock cards and bets. Mick Lovin. So Top Step is fucked. I'm pretty sure it's with a Y. Hot shot. Yeah. So yeah, but you know what? I don't remember that shit. Stock cards and bets. The Raiders, I know, right? Yo, Geno Smith, equal lows here. Geno Smith is the truth. It's a trap. Ezekiel. My camera's fucked. I don't know why. I'm fucking hard coded. I'm hardwired, I mean. Great. Let me turn it off. I don't even know what to do about that. Maybe I need to restart my laptop. I don't fucking know. Sorry, guys. My bad. I do have a fresh fade, though. Shit's looking pretty fucking fresh. Oh, let me hit refresh. All right. I don't know. It might still be fucked. Whatever. We're just gonna have to deal with it. I'll have to restart my laptop after the stream. But sorry, guys. It is what it is. It'll make it harder for you to pick out my nostril hairs. You know? Yeah, it's fucking delayed. What the fuck? I'm literally hardwired in. So stupid. Anyway, sorry. My bad. Carlos, what up? Ezekiel, it's a trap. Sports Don. Howdy ho. Yeah, Cody, yeah. I know. I shouldn't have to restart this. It's a fucking M1, but here we are. Yeah, Streamlabs. Nah, I think it's my laptop. I haven't. Jay Jackson. Whoo! I haven't restarted this thing in a while. It's just a Mac thing. It's just a Mac thing. All right, so here's my my trade day accounts. I did this morning. This was the first trade I took. I fell short of my 901 bucks as I did the math wrong, but I don't care. I'm good on that. I need 1,100 bucks. I need 1,100 bucks in all three accounts. And this was the account. Here's the thing that's the thing I'm most excited about with these three trade day evals. Which, by the way, they're still doing 30% off with no activation fee using the best code ZERODAYJAY. But here's what I'm excited about. I have all of my drawdown after the second day. Look at that, equal lows. Maybe we going lower. Looks assy. Looks pretty assy. You guys know that's a ZFG concepts at the assy pattern. You guys know about that. But yeah, so on day one, I got my $900 day. Actually, I think I was on day two. I think I had 2 days in, and then the third day. What day is this? The fourth? This is the fifth day. But anyway, so on the third day, I have 1,800 bucks in all three accounts. I had two $900 days. Oh, look at that. Double bottom, at least equal lows at this point. But I was looking good. Everything was cruising. And then on what fucking day was that? Last week, one of those days, I was actually like 2.5 points, two or 2.5 points away from hitting my take profit. It goes the other way and I get stopped out. So instead of being up 700, I was up like 700 bucks. And then I ended up being down 638 or 650, whatever it was, whatever that number was. But because I'm using intraday trailing, these are intraday trailing accounts. That's the ones I trade with them because they're the cheapest, but they have end of day if you want it. But because of that, I lost like fucking, how much did I lose in drawdown? Like $1,400 worth of drawdown, almost $1,400 worth of drawdown. So I only had like $640 of drawdown remaining. And I had to build the account and I had to grow the accounts. That's what I was more concerned about. But here I am 2 days later and I have all of my drawdown and I need 1,100 more bucks. So I'm very happy about that. I could pass these this week. I could be trading new funded trade day accounts, on Thursday. So that's cool. Maximus, what up? I trade. Yeah, I saw that, Renee. I saw that. You applied the Hail Mary tactic. Nice, stock cards. Olivier. The goal for trade, it used to be 2,500. You used to be able to pass them in 2,500, but since they expanded and are giving people more accounts, the ability to trade more accounts, as many as 3 funded accounts at the same time, it's 3,000 to pass with a 30% consistency rule. So that's where we're at with trade day. I don't have any my funded futures accounts right now. I'm waiting on some rebuilds to come through. I have some rebuilds for, you know, legacy accounts that I'm waiting on. And they're actually like discounted rebuilds. That was only 13 points. We might keep going up from here. I don't know. It looks like ass. It does look like shit. Marcin, yeah. But that's what all of them do. They're all at 3K for the most part. Yeah, who wants to do 3K when you could do 2,500? Keegan, you like that, right? A bajillion trillion. I am the most paid out prop firm trader. Only because I said I got a bajillion trillion. If anybody who does put that shit in their title, just know, and they find out that I did that, just know I'm just having fun with it. That's all. I just thought it would be funny to do. I've been meaning to do it, so I did it today. One stop. What up? When we rebuild on FTT Daytona, you have to send more Tron if you want to get reestablish it, Marcin. You got to send more Tron. Elaine G, what up? How my Apex accounts doing? I don't know. I don't want to talk about it until we get to 200 people on the stream. So we're talking about trade day right now. Right now. And we're not doing anything. We're kind of forming this cuck zone right now. We dropped, nice little healthy drop right after I hopped on. We dropped what, 795? That was a 30-point drop. That was a once. Fourth and 25. Yo, I don't know if Jack Boom is here. I don't know if you guys know who Jack Boom is. He hangs out on the stream. He's been like one of the OGs on the, in the DGen fam. He lurks in the Discord, doesn't really participate. He's here in Vegas. He reached out to me, sent me a DM, and I met up with him last night, and we hung out. We played tummy sticks at the Circa. But I got there. When I got there, it was the fucking Ravens were winning 40-25 with like 4 minutes left. We witnessed them come back and fucking the Bills come back and somehow pull that game out of their ass. One-stop trader. You're at work. Yo, put some fucking earbuds on, man. Marcos M, what up? Put some earmuffs on. Dude, it was crazy. Fucking Josh Allen. And like, guys weren't catching balls and shit too. Like, I'm like, man. Bowser, what up? Stone World. Let me make sure I don't have any open offers. Now, I don't know what's going to happen now. Are we going to drop low or are we going to pop? Gary. Have you ever seen Gary? You've seen Wedding Crashers, right? Remember the girl? What the hell's her name? Her brother, who had a particular interest in Vince Vaughn. He said, "You want to play tummy sticks?" When he fucking jumped him on his bed at night when no one was around. That's what me and Jack Boom were doing last night. By the way, I've been in Circa before. I've only been on the first floor, even though they had a second floor with a bunch of cool shit there. And then they have like a stadium fucking pool thing. And you had to go up this escalator to get there. I've never been on an escalator that long in my fucking life. The escalator was like, you better hold on to the railing. especially if you're fucking boozing it up. What is this shit? Yeah, the creepy brother, hotshot. Yeah, Gary. Yeah, it was nice, but the escalator was long as fuck. I took a picture of us. We were chilling. So I tell people, the funny thing about it is like, that's the second person. That's actually it's the third person. That's the third person I've met since I started my channel. And like, you talk, like we see each other, like you guys see me. And like, we interact in the chat and in the Discord and all that shit. So I'm like, if I meet them, like, yo, I'm here. And then they fucking come up like, okay, that's who you are. You know what I mean? So like, oh, I guess we're rolling over. Let me find this fucking picture. That's interesting. Was that it? Just a little sweep of this low? I mean, the lows are way down here. The low a day is at 650. Let me find this shit. There it is. That was us. You couldn't tell. You couldn't see it, but we were on that fucking big ass escalator. Yeah, it was fun. Cool dude. Cool as hell. Anyway. Anytime you guys are around here, just hit me up. What's funny is like, when Pine Tree comes back here, I'm going to make sure that I'm going to go to a magic show without him, just like he did to me. Oh, I guess that was it. Is that sweeping this level, and then now it's going to pop? We have best friends, Eric J. Yeah, it was cool, man. He's cool as hell. He's cool as hell. I chill with Amit, who I was calling Amit this entire time, but he was here with his friend. I think his friend's name was Chris. I'm sitting there. We met in like June. He was out here in June, and I'm sitting here listening to like them talk to each other, or Chris is telling me a story about Amit, and he's calling him Amit, and I'm like, is that how you fucking pronounce your name? And this whole time I've been saying Amit. Oh man, Logan, what up? I'm just waiting. Oh, we got over 200 people. All right, let me show you what I did to my Apex accounts. I got to show you what I did. Hold on. Let me hide my screen. Ah, fuck it. Oh, hey. I bet some loser fucking hater piece of shits were hoping I would have blown some. C. Charisse, TJP, MCC. There we are. Smash the like button for Trevor LeConte if you like all this green. I did activate a 20th one, and I want to trade it. I don't know. What do we do here? Nothing's happening. We're just going sideways. Thank you, Joe Trades Futures. 2600 Marcin PK. Thank you. Smash the like button for Trevor LeConte. Yeah, looking good. Listen, you know, I could have had another in both groups. So I got the Trailer East group, which is this one that's up 437, and I have the Trailer West group. This one's got 10 accounts. This one has 9. And then the 20th account is just chilling here by itself. I could have easily got another 15 to 20 points combined, probably more than that at this point. In the trades I was in, I took 2 trades, I think, with these accounts. If I would have just held both of them a little longer, I'd be over 1,000. And then this one, if I would have held this one a little longer, I'd probably be at like 800-ish, 900-ish. But what am I going to do? The biggest thing for me right now is that I have a lot of my almost all of my drawdown. Look at all this. Look at the drawdown. That's important. And I'm trying not to do I'm trying not to be a greedy fuck. Even though like I'm very capable of having those big days. Maybe the big day will come tomorrow. I don't know. But right now, I could have pushed these more, and I just said, fuck it. The accounts are growing. That's all that matters. I'm 3 days in. And these 10 are up $1,594. And then I'm 3 days in with these, and they're up 1,053. I'm in good shape. I'm in really good shape. Just ain't right. Mwah! Willie Trades. Nice, clean photo. Yo, my Photoshop skills are getting real fucking good, Marcin. You know, some fucking loser. Well, we all know who it was. create an account, creates an account, you know, joins the Discord with a new account, and then post in like the food pics, basically the food pics section, just to say, oh, Jay, oh, you still faking your payouts? Like, what a fucking loser. Shari, what's up? So I'm just going to leave this here, let it marinate until something better comes. Waiting on a setup. I got to trade. This is my brand new 20th account, my 20th PA. Just going to trade it by itself. Titus, what up? I got Jared Darrell shaking in his boots. I got a lot of work to do though. You know, people are getting excited and they're like, it's happening. It's going to happen. Maybe they're right. And I hope everybody's right. But I still have a fuck ton of work to do. Forget about the amount of days I need to trade. I don't care about that so much as I care about just getting to max payout land in all of these accounts. So I'm just fucking I'm being really selective. You know what I mean? I almost didn't even want to trade during like New York's lunchtime, but it just, I couldn't resist because it was just too good of a setup. Raphael, what up? Matty Matt. Yeah, Vince, exactly, bro. Why not? If you feel like you need to, if that's a funded account and you feel like you need to trade, you start getting FOMO, just grab another eval somewhere. Grab a cheap eval from somewhere. Use the best code ZERODAYJAY, of course. You know, but I don't know, like, what the fuck are we doing here? Is this, I feel like we're going to go up. I don't know. I could be wrong. I'm just chilling now. It looks like it's establishing some sort of base after breaking this cuck zone and making a new low. Not on the day. See, here we go. It's popped. It's not up by a lot, though. It's only 15 points from this spot. Yeah, exactly, Vince. So if it's a funded account and you're good with that and you get FOMO, just make sure you have another eval ready to go. That's the best way to, you know, cure FOMO without fucking anything up. What's up, Shari? I think I said hello to you, I think. Cody. Tyler. 7 money bag, yo. What's up, kid? $27.50. Oh, nice. One stop. Nice job, man. See? Oh, there it goes. Me at the station. Yeah, I know. I'm not hiding any red. Either. It's all green. I do have one more funded account I would like to trade. I'm just waiting. I'm patiently waiting like 50 Cent. Even you know, my flip day was a green on Take Profit Trader, and I got another day in on these evals, and I'm closer. I have all my drawdown, more importantly, on trade day. All of my fucking drawdown here. And I just need $1,100. How hard can it be? Tony Gold, what up? Mel, what's going on? Slade, what up? Bruh. Tyler. Trent friend. Darling Picky. It wasn't that a play that Prince called when he was playing against Charlie Murphy? Darlene Picky. It was like one of the names of his songs or some shit. Yeah, see, I literally just said this. I think it's going to go up, and here we fucking go. And I fucking didn't get in. Now, because I've been real conservative with these accounts, trading no more than 2 minis per trade, I think I'm going to be a little bit more aggressive with this account. You know why? Because I need to get it. It's too late. Look at that. Fuck me, man. That sucks. Damn, Slade, you requested 31 G's? Fuck yeah, bro. Fuck yeah. Vero, what's up? Thank you. Well, it's actually 19 PAs that I traded. I've had these 19. I'm on today's my third day trading them. And I did finally pass the 20th one on Friday. So here's my 20th one, number 424. Stacks, what up? I heard. Miss Goody, what's up? Damn. Oh, there it is. Right off the 5-minute 21. I need to. Oh, man. What a fucking bounce, though. 60, 30 points. Even from here when it fucking curled up. 27 points. Damn it. Damn it. Nice fucking pop there. Let's look at the bigger time frames here. I mean, shit. We retested the fucking 786 here. See, when we dropped here, we came back and bounced. We rejected off the VWAP twice. 2 or 3 times? How many times? Twice. Here, 3 times. Interesting. Very interesting what's going on right now. Nice little, look at that. Look at that rejection off the 5-minute 21. That's why I keep that fucking moving average on my chart. We just literally dropped 20 points. Just like that, Jenny. Bouncing off, what is that? The 5-minute 20? No, got the 618 here. I don't know, guys. I'm just being real selective with these funded accounts. Casalisk. Yes, Project X is broken. Hey, let's take a quick poll. Is it Project X on every fucking firm or just Top Step? Is Project SlipX not working for you? Oh, all right. So it's every firm again. Let's see. Is Project X working for you right now? What up, Newts? Yeah, it took a while, Newts, but it definitely worked its way down. And then it started and it bounced pretty hard, and then it can't. It was having trouble getting over the VWAP. J, Double O Kevin, Harry G, just NQ, the fucking instrument that almost most people trade. Good tip, just a tip. Tim Morgan. Well, it's not exactly only theirs. They're just offering Project SlipX. I did hear that PayTag does own a stake in that platform. Carmino code ES for life. Account blowers trade NQ. Yeah. And guys that are getting fucking $2.4 million payouts trade the NQ also. Bowser. What up, Sean? Account blowers trade. You know what account blowers trade? they trade anything. Accounts are going to get blown no matter what. Does he really only trade soybeans? Shut up. No fucking way. He trades the NQ. I was thinking about going to lean hogs. This is interesting. Fuck me, man. I'm just sitting on my fucking hands. Harry G. Olivier. Yeah. Yup. I believe me. I traded ES when I first started with this prop from shit, and then I discovered the violence that is NQ, and I need violence. Lean hogs. Imagine I just only traded lean hogs on my streams. Is lean hogs even moving? Lean HE. Are we in D? Is it even moving? Bars. Bars, yo. I don't even think this is the right one. All right, anyway, let's fucking focus here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. 618 bounce. Fuck me, man. Pork bellies. D-Walk, what up? I do have the ES. That's the hourly. I do have ES on my charts now. I used to fucking pay attention to it. I just feel like I should pay attention to it more. Not to trade it. A lot of times it leads the way. Oh my God. I got to pee so fucking bad. What's up, Roberto? Robert Gallis, be good, man. Thanks for hanging out. Exactly. We're going to bring home the bacon with lean hogs. That's fucking great. Miss Goody has to pay the water bill. Yeah. Fuck. I missed it. I missed it here. I literally said it's going to fucking, I thought it was going to go long. I thought we were going to go up. I missed that. And then I missed this fucking pullback and then bounce. Rubicon, what up? Long orange juice all day. You could trade orange juice futures too, right? Orange juice. OJ. Yo. Whatever. I don't think this is the right one though. Uh-oh. I don't think I can trade this. If it's orange, is it orange like that because it's orange juice? Why is it orange like that? Because it's orange juice? I'm so fucking pissed. I missed it. I missed it. Motherfucker, bro. All right, I'll be right back. I gotta fucking pee. Hang out, please. If not, if you got to bounce, smash the like button on your way out. I appreciate you for hanging out. I do want to trade this 20th funded Apex account, but I feel like I missed my opportunity here and here. So I'm just being patient and fucking stingy. Frozen OJ is down. Oh, is my market. Thank you, guys. I'll be right back. Look at this shit go. Look at this shit go. Also, like, I don't know. I got a lot of shit on my fucking mind right now. I got one of those phone calls you don't want to fucking get. About a little over an hour ago. So I'm just fucking processing that information. So like, I'm just like, I'm seeing shit that I want to trade. I'm just like, got a lot. I got a lot on my fucking mind. Tory Trade's husband, what's up? Hope you're doing well. Not my dad. My stepdad. And I fucking knew it as soon as I saw my phone ringing. I fucking knew it. I knew something was up. Roberto, I got your reply, bro. I think I got back to you unless you sent another one. Ian Connor. Hooker got my number, yeah. Got my wife's number. I wish it would. Not that I would want that to happen, but I wish it was that instead of what it actually is. Yeah. Yeah. So, you know, I don't mean to like dump that shit on you guys, but I'm just not in the greatest fucking headspace right now. And I'm trying to fucking trade. And holy fuck, look at this shit go. I said I liked it to the upside. This was the pullback before the next fucking move up. Ian Connor, nah, I know, bro, but I'm here. I'm trying to fucking trade. I'm trying to find a good fucking opportunity. I literally said, we're going to go up here right before it happened. I think we're going to go up. And then, I mean, fuck. 50 fucking points. Just about, right? Yeah, Ian. And it's not even just that. There's just a bunch of shit going on. Thank you, Jay. Thank you. There's just there's other shit going on that's not negative. All the good shit, but it's stressful shit. It's all at the same time. So I might have to fucking fly to fucking PA in the next day or two. Something else I don't want to fucking do. But oh yeah, D-Walk, without a doubt. But does it have enough to break and fucking go up? Like if you do if you measure it, right? 8, 12, you're talking. Does it have another 50, 60 points in it? Does it break this level here? That's what you want to like look. Does it break the VWAP? It needs to break the VWAP to go up another fucking bunch of points to the upper the VWAP band. Also, not only was it a double bottom, but there's also look at this. Let me zoom in on this fucking thing. This is the New York. This is the NQ on the New York session NQ. This is the bottom orb right here. We fucking hit the bottom orb twice. So we bounced off of it this time, came back, retested it, dipped a little under, but shit, we rode along it, and now we came back into the orb. The top orb is up here. That would definitely complete this fucking double bottom. I just don't know what's going to happen. We got 3 minutes to figure it out. How tall am I, Newts? 5'10". LeBron's. Yeah, thanks, man. Appreciate it. Marcine, thank you, and great job, man. Yeah, it's all good, Cody. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Look at this fucking little fractal. I'm fucking annoyed, though, because, like, easy fucking money right here. It was too easy. Too easy. J Min. Is that tall? 5'10"? My son is tall. He's like 6'2", 6'1", 6'2". Yeah, 5'10" is not tall. It's like average height. Eric J, no. Fuck that, bro. I'd be fucking kicking her down the fucking stairs right now. I'd be fucking looking for a wide hanger. I'd be fucking breaking out the fucking Plan B pancakes. The fuck out of here. Oh my God. I don't know, dude. I wear large. I wear large, like my shirts, but only because it makes my arms look bigger. That's the secret. All right, let's see what the fuck is going to happen here. We're dropping. See, the VWAP just keeps getting in the fucking way. Coach Singh, what up? Jay. Oh, man. 6'4", sports down. Damn, bro. Your fucking point guard height. Yikes. It's not a huge move down, but this is a pretty decent. This is actually a lot for a fucking 50-minute algo candle because they've been kind of weak. That was what? 14, 25 points. 25 points. Oh, it was an algo P. It was an algo candle. Damn, Cody. Do you need to do it today or you still need to get another day in? Piece of cake, Cody. How hard can it be? Improper risk management. Lights out off the VWAP. I'm so fucking pissed because this would have been enough. This would have been more than enough. And here I am. I wasn't trying to fucking go short here or long, obviously. Holy Earth, what's good? Full port. 4 more days. All right, so you get 80 to $100 tomorrow, and then you flip the rest of the way. You good on consistency? Where you at? You at fucking what up, Tradeday? You going for max payout or you going for just over the buffer? Piece of cake, bro. Either way. See, I don't know. I'm telling you, I can't fucking think straight right now. I'm annoyed. And like I got that phone call like right here, and I missed this whole fucking move. I'm not mad about missing the move, but like not the best timing in that regard. But it kind of did the same thing up here. Nah, not really. It did curl up though. Fuck yeah, Carlos. All right, good, Cody. Yeah, man, just get that fucking money and just do it again. Nice job, Carlos. Fuck yeah. I know. But I want to. I want to. Smash the like button for Trevor LeConte. Smash that shit. MM just got cheaper prices. Who that? About to get your third payout with my fund the future, Trader J. Good shit, bro. All right, here's a 54-minute candle. Good shit, man. You like that? BajillionTrillion in payouts. Cajun. Yeah, I know, bro. That's another thing that's pissing me off. I got to restart my laptop, but obviously I'm not going to do that now. You guys hear me okay, though, right? LeBron's. I know, bro. 54-minute candle. Man, I just feel like the 55-minute candle is going to drop or do nothing. Wow. Try not to fucking fall out of your chair, guys. It does look pretty fucking bearish, though. At least on the 1 minute. I mean, we got to look a little further here. We broke the 786 on the bigger time frame fib, and now we're like retesting the 618. Does it fucking hold here and then pop up higher? But the VWAP just keeps fucking getting in the way, and they're lower highs. This was a lower high from the last fucking bounce. This was a lower high. So I don't fucking know. Stone World. Yeah, big time. Big green. PJ. Yeah, I copied 10. Well, I have 19. These are 19. I activated my 20th funded account today. So this is in a group of 10. We got trailer. I'll show you guys. We got trailer east and trailer west because I had a pretty prominent, influencer in this space say that I'm white trash and I live in a trailer. So I'm playing along with that theme, and this is the east wing of my trailer, and this is the west wing of my trailer. That's what that's for. So 10 of them, 405 to 414, are in the east wing of my trailer, and then 415 to 423 in the west wing. Yeah, this is what I thought. And then I got this account right here. This is my 20th. I just activated. I literally just activated it. What are we doing here? What the fuck? Are we going to dump it to close, or this is going to fucking decide to go up? It's getting in the way. I can't fucking see. You see this fucking support here too? Or just these levels? You got this right here. This. It's the bottom of this cuck zone, the top of this cuck zone, the bottom of this cuck zone here. And we are bouncing right now. Vinny Lee. My trailer, not only does it have Wi-Fi, I'm fucking hardwired right now, even though you couldn't tell with the way my head is moving. See Charisse, what's ES doing? What the fuck? ES bounced hard compared to what? Fuck it. Is it not going to do it? I'm scared. I shouldn't just be saying fuck it on a funded account. Uh-oh. Well, I'm keeping it tight. Make new lows. Make new fucking lows. I don't know. I'm not Well, I was green everywhere. Oh, look at this. I knew I shouldn't have fucking traded. Now it's going to dump. Top ticked. I literally got top ticked, and then I went in long, and then it came back the other way. We'll see. Well, so much for being green everywhere. I still have a chance. Nope, I don't know. Whatever. Oh. Oh, come on. Keep pushing up. Wow. Maybe I should just stick with 19 funded accounts. I was literally just green. I was green by a couple $100 too. No, I was green by 25. I was green by $25 because you could see right here, I'm pointing at it, but if you see to the right, I can't let go of this fucking, I can't let go of this, whatever. Right here, you see this max net. I added this. I think Mike is the one who told me about it. You add this right here is just in the settings here of this module, max net liquidity. It tells you how high your account was, like the highest it was. Something that Well Charts does by default. But hey, now I know it's there, so I fucking added it. Come on, keep pushing, you piece of shit. No? Is that it? Yeah, I'm fucked. I don't know. Whatever. Fucking annoyed right now. Come on, go up to the VWAP. Retest the VWAP. Retest the VWAP. Please, Granny. Push it. Yeah, of course. I don't know, guys. At this point, it's just I'm going to guess my way in and guess my way out. We did reject off the 786. I just could be fucking wrong. We'll see. Just get me back to fucking what? Just get me back to green. Get me back to break even. Come on, push it. Push it more. Fucking cocksucker, thank you. More. 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 It's going to take me out here. Whatever. I'm only down $67. Fucking piece of shit. I think it goes lower. HR, what's up, man? Thank you, bro. Same to you. Alfred. I know. Mike Crotch, what's good? Interesting. Newts. Wood bat, bro. Wood. Matt. Micah. Yeah, bro. It's good to know, man. That's also like how you know, like, oh, that's why my drawdown. If you do the math, I mean, that's how you figure it out. I still think we go lower. Coach Fred, what's up? F4. Yeah, today was a good day for price action. A little slow moving, but there was no red folder events or anything. My crotch. Tim Morgan. Yeah. I mean, was I really using patience? I said fuck it and ended in the trade. I missed the banger fucking move up here and here. And then I started playing with this fucking shit. Damn, I almost entered short there. Just looks like ass. Allah, what up? Smash the like button for Trevor LeConte. Big Dave. D, what up? How many days? Well, on the 19, I'm on day 3. Day 3 in the books with all 19 of these. This is brand new. 424 is brand new. I activated it today. Oh, look at that. Now we're going to go to the VWAP. Captain Price. Samuel, what up? TJP. I don't know. That's a good. Hold on, let me take a little peek. See if Nao posted it in the best community on these prop firm streets. If you guys want to join the best fucking community on these prop firm streets, here's the link. It's free to join for now. Got over 1,400 members in here. It's such a great fucking community that we got people that have gotten kicked out 100 times, creating new accounts after new accounts after new accounts just to get back in. Felix, what up? Here's the link. Let's take a little peek. Weekly news outlook. Today. Earnings whispers. All right, Monday. Casey's, Abivax, Mission. Yo, we got to be careful with Mama's Creation. Mama's Creations is a fucking market mover if I've ever seen one. Zoe. Elias, what up? 732, huh? You think so? I don't know if we have enough time for that to happen. Be good, Tim. Thanks for popping on, man. Appreciate it. By the way, Take Profit Trader is still 40% off. I got 3 accounts that are fucking over. I'm just waiting. I just have to get my days in. I got 4 days in. 4 days in on these. Waiting for day 5, and then I'll be able to activate. I actually have one waiting. By the time I'm able to activate these, the one I've been waiting on that's been passed since fucking like a week and a half ago, I'll be able to activate that as well. Holy Earth. I haven't traded with them, but I've heard mixed things about them. Let's just put it that way. They always have like these cheap ass fucking accounts and shit. I always hear a mixed bag with them. You know what I mean? Damn. I would have loved to have gotten 8 or 9 points. Oh my God. Now it's fucking going up. You fucking piece of shit. Funny. Oh, you waiting to get paid? Well, if you passed, I mean, if they approved your payout, and all you got to do is your KYC, I'm sure you'll be fine. You know what I mean? Nice, technical trader. The king. LeBron's. Yeah. Aren't their activation fees pretty fucking hefty too? Yeah, that's what I fucking thought was going to happen. I don't know. I'm so annoyed because look, I was long here. I scalped long here. I scalped short here. And then, you know, now it's fucking, it popped from there. What? 15 points already? Sintra, what up? Yeah, I'm still alive. Why wouldn't I be? Why wouldn't I be? Also, trade day is 30% off with no activation fee. You could get it. You could be all in with a funded account with them for as little as like 69 bucks. Apex isn't doing anything. They're just I mean, it's 50% off. You really want? Oh, look at that drop. If you want to fuck with Apex right now, I would wait until they do another sale. I don't even think My Fund the Futures is doing a deal. If you want to save 5% on My Fund the Futures when you grab a new fucking account, use the best code ZERODAYJAY. Try not to spend it all in one place with your whopping 5% off. Whoa. Yeah, Gary, I know, right? Randy Jones. I don't fuck with Tradeify at all. Trade Iffy, that is. I haven't heard anything bad about them. In the beginning, you're probably better off going with like a cheaper option if you're newer to prop firms. So go with the cheaper option, get your feet wet with how the shit works, and then start exploring different firms, you know, based on your trading style once you establish one. Unless you've been trading for a while, you know how to trade futures or you just know how to read the charts and you're just getting into prop firms because why not? You know what I'm saying? Bulenox is 83% off right now. No grip. I'll show you my bat. I have yeah, I'll show you. I'll grab it in a second. Trade day is great. If you do too much degen shit with them, though, they might kick you off. JC Trades. All right. Watch this shit bounce now. Is this real life with these fucking landscapers? Fuck. Tight stop. Tight stop here. Why? These guys are fucking here every day. They literally come and blow this shit around every fucking day. Fuck. Go down, you fucking cocksucker. I'll be right back. So here's my bat. This is my game bat. It's a Tater. Tater. They make great fucking bats. Tater. It says J fucking dinner on it. 33 inch. It's a it's a thin handle. It's like a hybrid. But I think it's more like a 271. Oh shit, I'm fucking green. Get down there, you piece of shit. Go. More. Oh, come on. Let's go. More. Fuck that. Fuck that moving average. Fuck that moving average. Fuck the 34. Fuck the 34. I'm taking. Oh, you. Are you serious? That's fucked up. I tried to fucking take it. It wouldn't let me. It rejected it and put it back to where I fucking had it originally. You fucking kidding me with that? You fucking cocksucker, bro. I had how many points? I didn't even have 3 points. Damn, bro. Now I'm going to get stopped out. Now I'm going to get fucking stopped out. That's fucked up. Fucking piece of shit. Yeah, fucking drop it again, you fuck. It bounced right off the fucking 34. The 1 minute 34. Fuck me. It couldn't go lower just a little bit so I could lock that in. Anyway. Oh, shit. So, yeah, this is a 33-inch bat. 33 minus 3. It's all about the fucking, it's all about the barrel. It's all about tilting that barrel, turning that barrel. Turn that fucking barrel. So this is the one I use in the games. I hit a home run with this bat. I hit what's called a tater with this tater bat. And then I hope Newts is still here as I'm doing a fucking show and tell. I have 2 of them. This one, this is what it looks like brand new without any fucking shit on it. I haven't used this one yet. This is birch wood. Birch. If you're gonna swing with birch, you got to break it in first before you use it in the game. Like at the cages or whatever. Or off a tee at the very least. Clinvale, Nayo. Is there a max withdrawal for trade day? Once you get to 5,000, you got to reach out to them. They evaluate you for live. And then once you're in live, I don't really think there's a max. But I would hit up support to confirm. Can we keep fucking dropping? Please. Did PW hire them? That's fucking funny. What about Maple's good? I just like birch. It's a preference. I know just as many guys who swing maple that, you know, as many guys that swing birch also swing maple. You know what I mean? There we go. That's what I wanted. Keep going. Keep fucking going. There we go. Thank you. Thank you. Come again. I'll lock in that in. Cool. Green everywhere. That's fucking right. Green fucking everywhere after losing $500 on the first trade. So there's also something called composite. You get a bat like a bomb bat, BAUM. They make composite bats. A lot of guys use those because they don't break. If you break that shit, you probably had it for fucking 5 years before it finally breaks. Just don't get ash. If you're going to fuck with a bat, don't get ash. Ash just fucking breaks the easiest. Green everywhere. What's the buffer on trade day? It's the same as take profit trader. A 50K is 2,000. Anything over that you can request. Randy. Can I take a trade and show how? Well, this is how you would enter into, there's a couple of ways on trade. This is Tradeday. So you could mark it in and mark it out. You mark it buy and mark it sell, or you place an order. You just tap anywhere on the fucking chart where you want to place an order. You put the order, you hit buy or sell. You put your contract amount in here. And then that's it. And then if you like, let's say you get filled here for a short, right? You get filled here and you want to have a take profit in like this level, you put your buy order here. If you want to have a stop loss, and you definitely want to use a stop loss, you put that shit above it for a buy. Shit like that. But you just got to watch, like, just hang out. You know what I would recommend, Randy? If you're a real fucking person, that's the only thing. The other thing I want to, yeah. I'm fucking talking to fucking someone who's not even real. Cool, Randy. Good luck. Good luck with everything, bro. Wasting my fucking time. Clinvale. I don't know what's worse, calling someone poor or calling them a wage cuck. Didn't Rips call people a bunch of wage cucks? D-Walk. Hey, you good?
Are you? What are you doing with baseball?
Oh, someone was asking me about my bats. I don't know, Randy. I get trolled a lot. I get trolled a lot. You literally just created your account today. What up, Don Burberry? These motherfuckers, I swear to God. Yeah. They fucking know. My crotch. Of course my crotch is real. All right, I'll be right. I gotta relocate. Dave Official. Yes, sir. Green everywhere. Boom. Hey Randy, if you're real, then I apologize. But I'm leaning towards you just being a fucking troll. No offense. Don't take it personal. Hang out on my streams long enough, you'll know what I'm talking about. Everybody else does. All right. I'm unplugging the hardwire because these fucking landscapers. Yo, so this is the bat I hit my first ever home run with. Like 10 or 12 games ago. Also a tater. The only reason I have that bat is because I bought a bat at a tournament I went to and I didn't like it. And one of the guys I play with said, ooh, I was like, we were just talking about our bats and shit. And he was like, damn, I got to restart this fucking laptop. He was like, I'll trade you. Want to trade? And he had the tater and he didn't use it yet. I'll trade you this tater for your dovetail. And I ended up with that tater and I used it here and there and I always liked it, but I was still on this other brand of bats that I liked. And then this one last bat in like a 5-pack that I had, it wasn't really working all that good. Not working. It just didn't feel right. It just didn't feel right. So I busted out the fucking tater. And when I busted out the tater, I fucking hit a fucking double. I one-hopped the fence with a double. And then I hit a fucking in the same game. I think I had 3 hits in that game. And then in the same game, we're only up by 3 runs. I hit a fucking bases low. I hit a fucking grand slam, my first ever home run with that and it was with the tater bat. So ever since then, I've been using that tater, and then I bought some new ones. So that's what Newts, when you start playing and shit, anybody who's played baseball knows, like when you just get like a feel for a bat, and you're like, yeah, this is the fucking one. And or like a type of wood, birch versus maple or whatever. And it just like, and we're athletes, we're all very superstitious. I don't think I'm ever going to swing another bat for a while because I'm hitting my best and I just happen to be using a fucking tater. So I'll be using taters forever. What? Oh, I got to get my other fucking laptop. Fuck! Like, there's bats that I bought. Henry Ray. Thank you. I'm not belittling you, Randy. Who said I was belittling you? Oh, there's the fucking drop I wanted. I just think you're fucking wasting my time. I think you're full of shit. It's nothing personal. If you're really fucking trolling, like, dude, what are you doing? Is that you got nothing better to do with your fucking life than to fucking waste your time doing this? But if, like I said, if you are real, I apologize. What was that? Buy 8. Where was that last order? 786. Yeah, it wasn't quite there. Big Tick, what up, man? You're an Easton guy? Yeah, they don't make wood bats, but yeah, I'm with you, bro. Like when you like a brand, you like a brand. Just however it feels and shit. There's bats, tactical. Randy Diaz, what up, man? Thank you, bro. Appreciate it. What up, tactical? What are the rules with Apex? Don't lose more than 30%. If you're under the buffer, don't lose more than 30% of whatever your fucking your max drawdown is in any single trade, whether it's realized or unrealized. Don't go down more than 30%. Also, don't max your max allowable contracts that you could trade is half of what the max is. So if you're fucking with 50Ks, don't trade more than 5. If you're fucking with 25Ks, which I have a feeling you are, tactical, don't trade more than two minis or 20 micros at a time. Dildzik, what up? Wooden bats with cork. Yeah, of course, Flexter. You knew a kid who used wood bats in Little League? Fuck yeah. Tory Trade side dude, what up? Professor Loki Crypto, what's good? Feline. This is what she said. Like, Don Burberry. Facts, man. It's true. It's true. How many contracts am I using on the 19? I instead of doing my usual 3 minis, I'm doing 2. I cut back a little bit on my size. The other thing, tactical, that you want to know with Apex, once you get to the buffer, that gives you a minimum of $500. You got to go beyond the buffer to get your max payout. What are you trading? Tactical. Clinvale. Yep. Tory Trey's tail line's probably lurking somewhere too. You want a 50K? Oh, nice. Tactical. Yeah, so 2,600 will get you 500. And then if you want to get anything over 2,600, you'll get whatever's available. And then 4,100 is the max payout. 4,100 will get you 2,000. There's a 30% consistency rule on funded accounts, tactical, and you have 8 days of trading minimum. You have to get your 8 days in. You could do it in 5 and flip the rest of the way. You need 5 days of $50 or more. There's also like a 5-to-1 risk to reward ratio. Just what I would recommend is just don't. Oh, I fucked up again? Motherfucker. My bad, guys. Sorry, guys. How long was I out for? I think the landscape is fucking gone. I got to take a fucking piss, too. Fuck me. This fucking cocksucker's still here. I hear him. How long was I out for? Come on, you fuck. How long was I out for? 8 minutes? 2 minutes? Everybody left. Fuck me. My bad. I didn't even fucking know. Now I got to keep my eye on this shit. Fucking stupid. Anyway, what was I even fucking saying? Sorry, guys. Det 5. Benny. Zero Stream J. Renee. Yeah, landscaping pool guy, Coach Fred. My wife's side dude. Damn, Bacon. Yeah, my bad, guys. I don't know what the fuck is going on. I'm letting the Wi-Fi sucks now on this new box, even though I increased my fucking shit. It's only good when I'm hardwired. It's only good when I'm fucking hardwired. I'm literally right next to the fucking router and it still sucks. No skills. Yeah, I got that AOL. They offer AOL out here. Volk's part. The mouth on this guy. Yep. Well, that's where I'm from. I don't live there anymore, but that's where I'm from, bro. Where in New York are you from? PW had issues this morning too. Did he really? I'm pretty sure he uses Streamlabs. No, I was hardwired in. David Jewell, I was hardwired in, which I get like 900 megabits per second. But the fucking landscaper came from fucking down the block, and a fucking jerk off was walking around with the fucking leaf blower. Albany? Where? Oh, Long Island, where? Tyler, you couldn't stream at all today? For real? Yo, I'm from Valley Stream. I grew up in Valley Stream. And then I lived out east for a while before I moved to Vegas. Tyler's from Long Island too. 3 times? Benny. It is Cox. Yeah, it is Cox. Cox blows. Riverhead, no doubt. Yeah, I lived in Holtzville. I lived in Shirley for a few years, for like 5 years, and then I bought a house in Holtzville. And I lived there for 10 years and then sold my house in Holtzville right before COVID and came to Vegas. Citrus in Arizona. Yeah, Cox is big out here. No pun intended. Cox, the fucking internet service provider, okay, YouTube? Yeah, they're the biggest. Cox is the biggest, the largest out here. Oh, David, what do you mean backup? What was your backup? What, like your T-Mobile or some shit? Yeah, hell yeah, Nassau County. Nassau County forever, yo. But I did live in, my mom sold the house in Valley Stream I lived my first 21 years in. And then I lived in Patchogue for a little while. I lived in Patchogue for a few years, and then I met my wife. And then we started playing house. We played house together. She was giving away the milk for free. We had an apartment in Ronkonkoma. And then she got pregnant. And then we rented a house in Shirley for 5 years. And then I bought a house. And then I sold that shit 9 or 10 years later and came here. Tyler's hardwire is flaccid as fuck. Yo, Alfred, it's true. I am hardwired with Cox. Facts. Oh, fuck. I got to pee so fucking bad. I'll be right back. I got to pee. Again. I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. If you got to go anywhere, smash the like button on your way out for the stream. Do it for Trevor LeConte. I'll be right back. Holy shit, man. Anyway. David. Verizon. Oh, okay. Smart, man. Smart. David Jewell. I know. I fucking peed twice on this stream. I drank a lot of fluids before I hopped on. Rick. Is my screen black? Yeah, I'm sorry, Rick. I don't know what the fuck's going on. I gotta reset my laptop. LeBron's. Respect restored. It's not a fucking stream. First day I didn't blow an account in a while. Good shit, man. I love it. It's not a stream of mine if I'm not fucking stopping to pee or get more coffee. Yeah. Susu Bear. There's only a couple that cut you off like that I know of. It's My Fund the Futures and fucking Top Step. A lot of other firms let you go until the very end. Like I could fucking trade for another 20 minutes with Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeday, bulenox, although I don't have any bulenox accounts right now. I'm waiting on rebills to come through. Nice, PK. Love it. Yeah. I mean, after 410, I mean, there is some movement. Like, look, we've had like a swing. I mean, we're in like this fucking, it's only like a 10-point range that we're in, if you really think about it. But it looks a lot more than it is. It's not much. But I did think we were going to go fucking down, and here we are. My take profit on that last short I was in was what? 786. I wouldn't be surprised if we get down that far because I'm not in the trade anymore. Sly Fox. Yeah, a lot of them do. Most of them will. Most of them will let you. But I know My Fund the Futures and Top Step do not. Yeah, Rick. I also traded. I just needed to get a flip day in on these Take Profit Trader accounts because they're essentially passed, right? I just need one more day to flip. How hard can it be? So these are done. I just need one more day. So after Tuesday, Wednesday, I should be able to trade them. We'll see. And then these trade day accounts I did before I started fucking with my Apex accounts. I did this morning. I got them up 876. And more importantly, I got all of my drawdown back. I am maxed out on drawdown, and I need $1,100 to pass them. So I'm very, and remember, if you were watching me trade this last week, I had 2 days in. I was at $1,800, and then I fucking went up like 7 points in the trade. I was up like 700, and then I ended up fucking getting stopped out. I just came within 2 points. I missed my take profit by 2 points. It went back up and fucking stopped me out, and I was down to like $630 of drawdown or some shit like that. It was in the 600s, and I got it all back. So I'm very happy about that. And I'm also happy with the fact that they're almost passed. So that's all I did today. That's all. These three, the fucking flips on the take profits, and then all 20 of these Apex accounts. All green. ZERODAYJAY, it's all Photoshop. Thank you, Rick. I appreciate it. Anybody want to hang out in the Discord who's not in there? You're more than welcome to. Here's the link. It's free to join. It's the best community on these prop firm streets. Hands down. Hands down. TJP. Yeah, I mean, that's just how, you know how it is, bro. And then there's days where I'm getting wrecked and you're fucking having like the best day ever, right? It's just a couple of bad reads here and there, and it could fucking just put us in like a downward spiral. Oh, I'm a habitual link dropper all day, bro. You know the deal. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. Well, 10 seconds is about right, but I got to reset. I got to restart my laptop. DBT. Thank you, man. I hope so too. I hope so too. Where the links at? You want some more links? You want me to drop some links all over your face? Your face is here. Bulenox, 83% off. 83% off Bulenox. Here's my link. 40% off Take Private Trader with no activation fee. Here's my link. Here's my link. Let's see. Hey, let's see. $30% off trade day with no activation fee. Oh, dude, bro. I know the feeling, TJP. You know the deal, bro. That's just the way it goes sometimes. There's my link for trade day. Oh, not 40%. Sorry, disregard. It's fucking 30% off. Fuck me. 30% off. I just copied and pasted some old shit. And Apex, 50% off Apex, guys. Just wait. I would wait. I would wait before you grab any Apex accounts. But there's my link. Where's my Apex link? There it is. 50% off Apex. Hold out for 80% off. Oh, and my fund, 5% off my funded futures, guys. Woo! 5% off my funded futures. Try not to fucking load up on accounts with 5% off, guys. You think this has any more left in the tank? I bet my take profit gets hit. It was 786. I just have this feeling. Coach Fred. It's, yo, Alfred, too good. My crotch. Am I going to wear a costume on stream? I don't know, man. You know what I might want to be for Halloween? I haven't even thought about it. I don't really give a fuck about Halloween. Oh my God, this is gonna hit it. This is gonna fucking hit it. 786 is right here. 786.50. But look at, like, this looks like it's a lot. It's like what? It's 10 points. It's only 10 or 11 points. Lieutenant Dan. Half a smash. Oh, man. What a fucking day. Hey, those of you guys that joined the Discord, what is going on here? I just made you guys, like, you guys could, I gave you a fucking role, so now you could participate. If anybody else wants to join the Discord, here's the link again. It's free. We got, for now, we got 1,431 members. All I ask is if, you know, if you're going to grab some new accounts and it's with prop firms that I work with or promote, use the best code ZERODAYJAY. Fair trade, because the fucking, that Discord is the shit. I'm telling you, the Discord is lit. It's lit. 41 new messages. The best fucking community on these Profit Streets. The best. This is some dude who hangs out, right? Jack Boom. He hangs out on the streams. He's in the Discord every once in a while. He hit me up because he's out in Vegas. We hung out. We played tummy sticks last night. This is what's going on in here. It just goes off all day. People kill it in here too. People kill it in here. Lots of people hanging out in here get payouts. Lots of payouts being had in here. Uh-oh. Crypto's getting, people are getting fucking hacked in crypto. Oh, yeah, you'll get used to Sports Down. It's not that bad. You'll get used to it. Jamie on, yeah. Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. Check with your accountant, though. Check with your CPA, but I will and do. Yeah, it's some, I never even heard of that account. It's called like DGen News. Was it? It's literally at Degenerate News. That's the Twitter handle. That's fucking great, bro. What a great fucking handle. It's fucking hilarious. Hilarious, like Nick Cannon. Yeah, this shit's run. This shit is pretty much cooked. It's pretty much done. We're done here. Something's going to happen in the next 5 minutes. It'll be like a 5-point move in either direction. Liquid Vision. How much do you have to make in bulenox funded to make a withdrawal of 1K? What up, Printer Brothers? Nick Cannon, he's doing it on purpose. Yeah, no problem, Jamie. No problem. I'm assuming you're talking about a 50K. To get 1,000, you need 3,600 in profit. 2,600 is the buffer. 3,600, I think, is the minimum you can request. 3,600 is the minimum you have to get. I don't know. I think you have to get the 3,600 before you can request, and that gets you 1,000. 4,100 gets you the max of 1,500. No problem. Forex Elite, what up? Yeah, they're still doing it, bro. It's just instead of 40% off, they moved it to 30% off. But you could still pay. You could still be all in with a funded trade day account for as little as $69, where you could get paid on day one and get paid every single day. Thank you is done fucking. Yeah, facts, TJP. It's not bad at all, man. It's not bad at all. What did I get out of this trade at? $8.99, and it went down to fucking 92. Could have got another 7 points. Whatever. Whatevs. Yeah, take profit trade is 40. They've been 40% for a couple of months. They went back to 40% in June, and they've been at 40%. Take profit trade is 40% with no activation fee. With the best code ZERODAYJAY. It only works with the best, most exclusive code, ZERODAYJAY. We were talking about Trade Day, though. Trade Day is 30% off, David. Take profit trade is 40% off. Trade Day is 30. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, you're good, bro. You're good. They're almost like Trade Day's like the not as handsome brother of Take Profit Trader. They're good though, but it makes you wonder if either Take Profit Trader is like, if Trade Day is like a subsidiary of Take Profit Trader, or the guy who started Take Profit Trader has a stake in Trade Day and is their marketing advisor, because they're very similar. Trade Day even better than you profit. Yo, yeah. I would say yes. I think they're better than Fast Track. They're better than Fast Track. They're better than fucking Profit Raid. They're better than Flexi Trade. They're better than Thrive. And you profit. We could throw you profit in there as well. Funny shit. Yeah, hey, also, guys, if you're trading, if you have any open trades or orders with Take Profit Trader and Trade Day right now, I would start thinking about winding that shit down and make sure you're out before the market closes. If you don't want to lose the account. Well, it depends. Well, you have your choice with them. What up, Twanon? Yeah, I could trade Day right now. Well, unless you're on Project SlipX. Project SlipX, they cut you off at like, what, 450? On Tradeday, I could go until like the very last second if I wanted to. If I wanted to be a real fucking degenerate. So with Trade Day, you have your choice of intraday trailing, end of day trailing, or static. If you're trading the intraday, it will go static. Once you get anything over the buffer, becomes static, just like Take Profit Trader. 790 occasion, you still want some right now? You might get it, bro. You might get it. It's asking a lot, though. Oh, here it comes. You know what I'll be fucking pissed off about? If it hits 7-8. Yeah, this is what happens when there's no fucking volume. Cajun. Yeah. Tradeday? I don't know. Let me see if I can place an order. Oh, maybe not. Maybe they cut you off at 10-2 also. That's new. Man, that's new. I think they let you go until like 449 or 450 because that's how Project X is set to. Maybe that's what they're doing here. You're better off not fucking trading this shit now anyway. That's new. I try to get my trade day shit out of the way long before we're getting close to any cutoff time. That's new. What's up, Gilbert? Crypticon, what up? I know what you're talking about, bro. I know exactly what you're talking about. It's fucking fair game. It's fucking fair game. In the stands, in the bleachers. What up, Gilbert? Thank you, bro. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. Oh my God. Talk about getting fucked. Cajun, bro. This is what I'm talking about at the end of the day, man. Awful. I feel for you, bro. You got fucked by 7 ticks. Seven ticks. Maybe it comes back down, but you're running out of time. What's going to happen here? Oh, is 90 coming? We're at, I mean, I would get the fuck out if anybody's in a trade right now. If I were you. You out, bro? Life with 12 dogs. Thanks for hanging out, man. You do the same. Yeah, Twanon, they probably have a cutoff now. They probably added a cutoff for a certain time. Thank you, Life of 12 Dogs. All right, guys, I'm going to bounce. I got to take care of some shit, and I got to make my videos. So thank you so much for hanging out. I'm sorry about all the fucking technical bullshit that was happening with the blacking out and my head moving real slow. Move small. Frightened turtle. But yeah, hopefully it'll be better tomorrow. I will be on tomorrow for Power Hour, as always, 3 to 5 p.m. Eastern. Maybe I'll stream later on tonight. I don't know. Maybe earlier tomorrow. I'll see what I could do. But smash the like button on your way out if you can for Trevor LeConte. Subscribe to the channel. If you're not yet subscribed, I stream every single day for Power Hour and then other random times. I'll talk to you guys soon. Enjoy the rest of your day. Peace.